Okay, Denny, it's my last day in Hong Kong and I've had a brilliant week. And
that's good.
It's been down to you, mate. Thank you so much.
No, don't say
now
that.
listen, I've got a very special little treat for you.
Yeah?
I've booked us a table at the Shangri La.
Really?
Yep. And furthermore, one of their top chefs is going to show me how to cook a meal. So I am going to cook you a meal.
You are cooking?
I'm cooking. So what's your favourite dish?
Seafood.
Seafood?
Yes.
Okay, where do we get the best seafood?
Follow me, I'll bring you to the best place to buy seafood.
You're on.
Let's go.
So you say this is Eastern Kowloon?
Yes, this is the eastern tip of Kowloon and it's called a place called Lei Yue Mun. Lei Yue Mun actually means the carved door. And in Chinese, it says good fortune when the carved fish jumps over to your door. Brings the prestige, good fortune to your house.
Really?
Yeah, and this is the best place in town for seafood. All sort of different seafood you can ever even dream of in your life.
And this is a very old fishing
port. It's an old fishing village, actually. That's why you see all the fishes are there, and then all the restaurants is along the waterfront.
But just the place to find your fish?
Yes. Well, let's go.
So is Lei Yue Mun quite a unique place in Hong Kong?
Yes, it is, especially for the seafood.
So what are we looking for then?
We are looking for my favourite special fish.
What is it?
It's the red grouper.
It's not here though?
Not here though. Let's continue.
Let's go and find it. It's a big lobster, Denny. Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's a nice one, Denny. That's good.
Your lobster?
Yeah, that's a big lobster, yeah.
You like lobster?
How much would that cost?
The weight of it, this will be about 90 quid.
90 quid?
Yeah.
Okay, mate, well, do you want to throw it back?
Do you want to hold it?
No, I don't want
Really?
to hold it, no, really.
It's not wet at all.
Yeah, well, I'm sure, you know. Okay, so that's the lobster.
Yeah, bye lobster. Bye.
So, oh, squid.
Yeah, this is a squid. A giant squid in here.
Giant squid.
Now watch out.
Do these splash as well?
Yeah, the ink start coming up. Look.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. If I leave it up, the ink will start.
Yeah, if you lift it too far, the ink will go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Giant squid. How much would they be?
This will be about something like, roughly about 30 to 40 quid.
30, 40 quid.
Yeah.
But still, we can't find our fish.
Let's go hunting.
Okay. Denny, there's got to be a red garupa amongst that lot.
Yeah, look at here, jackpot. The whole tank is full of garupas and many, many red garupa. Let me show you. Look here. Look. This one here.
Beautiful colour, isn't it?
Yeah, and there's some more. Look.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, they're flapping at you.
Okay, mate, listen. Leave this to me, right?
Yes.
A champion lobster handler. Look, you go get yourself dried off.
Thank you.
I'll see you back at the hotel.
All right, see you later, eh?
Okay, mate.
Bye-bye.
One large red garupa, please. And make it mean. Hi, Roberto.
Hi, Russell.
Now, I've cheated a little bit because Roberto, my assistant, has prepared everything for this dish that I'm going to cook, which is pan-fried red garupa with a soya-flavoured butter and pak choy. Now, of course, here we have the filleted red garupa, which we're going to pan-fry that, aren't we? So how do you want me to start here, Roberto?
Well, just very simple. Salt,
season
pepper.
this, yeah?
Yeah, seasoning, yeah. Maybe salt and pepper.
Both sides or just this
Yeah,
skin
both
side?
sides, yeah.
Okay.
I suggest you always to use white black pepper, you know. Otherwise, if we will use black pepper, you will see all the black point. Slowly, slowly.
Is it a very oily fish, the red garupa?
No, it's not.
It's not.
It's not.
So now what do we do? The pak choy?
Now we prepare the vegetable, yes.
Okay. It's nice there. It's nice there. It's nice there. Now we're going to blanch this.
Put a bit salt also. It is important.
A little bit of salt?
Yes.
See, I don't use much salt in my cooking.
Okay. Oh, a little bit more, a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Now we need to do the butter, yes?
We need to do the butter, yes.
Now the butter goes brown naturally, doesn't it, in the pan?
Yes.
How much butter do I need to...
Let's see, just for one person. It will be enough like that.
Just-
Huh? So
And that's over a high heat. We'll just brown that off.
we just put inside. It's for the vegetable. Also, you can put a little bit butter inside.
A bit more butter.
Yes.
How much?
Just no, just a little bit. Yes.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yep.
There you go. So now we can add the shallot
The shallots.
and just half spoon will be fine.
Half a spoonful.
Yes, like this is fine. Yes. And the garlic.
The garlic. Again.
Yes, again a little bit. Yes, it will be fine.
Yep. Ginger, yeah?
And the ginger is for the vegetable, for our pak choy. Just a little bit for the flavor.
Yep.
Yes. Like that, or maybe a little bit more.
A little bit more. Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, fantastic, yes. Be careful. Ah, very nice, you see. Nice color skin.
That's nice. Come on,
That's
nice.
nice. So here I prepare also. Our pak choy are done.
Okay.
So we just,
You're very gentle, Roberto.
oh yes,
Gentle nature.
always. You see.
So you're the only Swiss-Italian chef in Hong Kong?
On my knowledge, I am the only Swiss-Italian chef in Hong Kong. There is many Swiss in Hong Kong,
There are.
but not Swiss-Italian.
Not Swiss-Italian.
Ah.
The lovely smell of garlic and butter and ginger.
Okay, now you can see our butter.
Starting to brown.
You
isn't
put the soya sauce.
it? The soy sauce?
Yes.
All of it?
No, I think it's too much. So we just put like this. A little bit more. Okay, there we go.
Right.
Very nice. I personally put also a little bit
It's just
lemon juice.
Lemon
yes.
juice. Oh, that's the secret ingredient. You see, you
Yeah,
didn't mention
it's a
this.
secret. There you go.
So that.
That's fine. And
Lovely.
actually, the sauce is ready, so we can put on the side. And you can see our fish is perfect.
It's a very simple dish, this.
It is a very simple dish, yes. So, shall we put the plate here?
There we go.
So, I'll let you do.
Oh, please. So
Russell.
you put the pak choy in the middle, is that
We
right?
put the pak choy in the middle, yes. Yeah, maybe one more is enough. Yes. It's fine. It's fine, yes. We put one garupa on the top of the pak choy.
Skin up or down?
Skin on, yes,
Yeah.
like this. Okay. And we add at the last moment,
Ah, this.
the last touch, you know, which is parsley.
Parsley.
Italian parsley, because it's more flavor Italian.
The only
Yeah.
parsley.
Yeah. And
And
some basil leaf, salt and pepper inside. Oh, also like this. Oh, very nice. Everybody can do this. Just leave it there.
so it's as simple as that.
Simple as that. You see, in 5 minutes, if everything is ready, the dish is done.
Dish. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Russell.
Great assistant. I'll keep an eye out for a job for you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay, Denny, here we come. Here you are, Denny.
Wow,
The
wow,
product
wow.
of several hours slaving over a hot kitchen with a hot Roberto.
Wow,
Enjoy.
so delicious. So,
Which, of course, is mignon in Chinese.
yes. It's great. Are you
Nice.
sure you make it yourself?
Well, yeah, with a little bit of expert guidance. Yeah, I did make that. But
It's the best fish I've tasted, actually.
let me have a taste.
No, I want it all by myself.
Well, I've had a fantastic 2 weeks in Hong Kong. Really, really wonderful time. And thank you very, very much indeed.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Jam Thank you.